Ding dong. Which doorbell would you ring every day? Which pillow would you hug all night long? Let's warm up. Which cozy fireplace feels like home to you? Tell us in the comments. Which dream shower would wash away your worries? Which chandelier would light up your life? Which couch would you never want to leave? What magical bookshelf would hold your secrets? Drop your choice below. Which rug would you fly away on? What wild bed design would you sleep in forever? Which enchanted mirror would you hang at home? What glowing fountain would you put in your garden? What fantasy fridge would you raid every night? Which royal toilet would you sit on like a throne? What kind of window would show your perfect view? Which dream dining table sets the mood for you? What quirky lamp would brighten your evenings? What kind of impossible plants would grow in your backyard? Tell us in the comments. Which robot pet would you adopt instantly? What kind of wild clock would keep your time? What fantasy bathtub would you soak in? Which dream door would you walk through daily? What outrageous ceiling fan would cool your summer? What magical coffee maker would fuel your mornings? Which mystery air fryer would you trust with your snacks? Drop your answer below. What crazy throne would be yours? Where would your ultimate hammock hang? What fantasy closet would you get lost in? What elevator would take you to the clouds?